Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Sprint. Today is day 1 of our 21 days challenge to crack digital science of OAVS or any other organization. In this video, we are going to discuss about science methodology. The topics we are going to cover are meaning, nature and scope of science. So come along with me to have a quick and effective revision series. So now let's see what is the meaning of science, where does it come from, what is the impact of it in our daily life. So the word science comes from Latin word scientia, which means to know, okay, or to have knowledge. Generally it is considered as a process dedicated to accumulation and classification of observable facts in order to formulate general laws about natural world. In other terms, we can say it as a methodological approach or systematic, organized approach to understand the natural world through observation, experimentation, and analysis. Okay. Then it is also if we break it down more, then there are 5 steps in total. What are those? The first one is observation. Second one is identification. Third one is hypothesis. Fourth is experiment. Then comes the theory. Okay, so it is the investigation and interpretation of natural phenomenon which occurs in our daily life, right? Then comes nature of science. Nature of science, first one is our body of science is a body of knowledge. Why science is a body of knowledge? Because it includes facts, concepts, principles, laws, hypotheses and theories. It is both process and product. This is how it is called body of knowledge. Then comes dynamic and evolving. How, as scientific information is constantly rearranged and oriented in the light of latest development, so it can never be permanent or static, right? Then it is interdisciplinary. What do you mean by interdisciplinary? As it includes and integrate with various other subjects to solve diverse problem areas, so it is interdisciplinary, interlinked with other subjects. Correct? Then comes inquiry based learning. How it is inquiry based? Because we often ask what, why, how. The more you ask these questions, the more you dive into the world of science. Correct? Then comes experiential learning. So if you the learning comes from experience. How much you experience science, that is experiential learning. Next comes our constructivist approach. Here we construct things as we building an empire of knowledge by learning the reason behind everything that is happening around us. Correct? Next we have science is based on evidence, right? Where based on evidence means which ensures its validity, which is obtained from a wide range of observations and experiments. Okay. Next comes from logic and imagination. So through imagination there are theories and hypothesis comes, but later principle of logic confirms its viability. Correct? Next we have predictability. Predictability means it is also based on predictable power of scientist or power of human. Through imagination they form theory, so the power of predictability comes in, right? Next one is very important, which is objectivity. What do you mean by objectivity? As science is free from any bias or any prejudices, it is purely based on observation, experimentation. So it is very objective in nature. That is it for nature of science. Then we have next topic, that is scope of science. Okay, there are various scopes except from that you are seeing in the screen, but we are discussing this. First one is foundation for scientific literacy, fostering curiosity. How so? It is the foundation for scientific literacy through fostering curiosity among learners. It opens up the scope to integrate science in our daily life. Okay. Next we have scientific and technological integration, as it is the basis for the design of the technologies that solve real world problems, and it is ever expanding in our everyday life. Next we have scientific knowledge, problem solving and decision making. So scientific knowledge enables us to solve real life problems, and using that knowledge makes us capable enough to give a informed judgments and make decision which is scientific basis. Correct? Next we have creative and open minded scientific attitude. as science develops a scientific attitude among learners, which develops creativity approach and enable us to see things open-mindedly, right? Next we have prepare for coping with advanced world. Okay, so it prepares us to coping with the advanced world. How? With time, science is always advancing day by day, and with the understanding of science, it makes us easier to cope with all the advancement, right? There are many more scope to it, but we have come to an end of today's discussion. Don't forget to revise these topics again. Do watch it properly. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.